This is the final result. If you try to download a file that name already exists, it will ask before re-downloading. To create built-in download manager, go to your project, create a new activity. In that newly created activity, create a more block. Then copy the code till opening of on pre-execute block and paste it. And next part, copy till on progress update opening block. Then copy the rest of the code. Then rename here from main activity to your activity name. Usually subclasses of async task are declared inside the activity class. That way you can easily modify the UI thread from here. By the way, in Sketchware we don't have any other option. For now, our download task will be executed at onCreate. Now let's have some work on our user interface. This button is for providing the user control to cancel the task. We need a string named URL. We will pass it through an intent and catch it at onCreate. You can see this places on pre-execute. That means we can do a bit of things before executing the task. We will set download details visible from here. We need two more strings for download path and file name. We are using them here at file output stream. We will get file name also from intent. Then we will check if our desired file path does exist or not. If it doesn't exist, we will create that path. We will combine last four characters from the link with our name to get a proper name with correct extension. Let's understand how do we get extension from the link. If our download is an image, then our link must end with JPG or PNG. Same way, if it is a game, then it must end with .apk, and so on with all file types and extensions. Their links end with extension. Now go to the activity from where you are going to launch the download manager activity and put two intent extras, one for link, another for name. Set screen download and start intent. On pre-execute, we are acquiring wake-lock, which will prevent phone from sleeping while its screen is off. If we don't do so, our download could be terminated. Now let us rearrange UI to show the percentage of how much file is downloaded. We will also show file name from intent extra. We will hide download details on clicking cancel button. Don't forget to add wake-lock permission using XML Editor Pro, otherwise your app will crash. file downloaded. Now if you go to file manager and check directory which you have set file path, you will find your file. We will improve our download manager in upcoming parts. See you in next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, and Allah Hafiz.